Welcome to the Katteb channel. Today, I will show you in action terms feature inside Katteb AI Writer. It is a powerful capability that enables you to customize AI-generated content to align it perfectly with your brand's voice and terminology. It will also allow you to humanize your AI-generated content, because often AI can overuse certain words, making the text feel repetitive and robotic. And with terms feature, you can combat this by setting up synonyms to diversify your language and inject a more human-like touch into your articles. It is not a secret that, for example, ChatGPT may overuse some words, making the text feel less human. And here, where terms feature can really help. Let's move to the example. First of all, to use terms feature, you will need to go to the left and choose it from menu here. And imagine you're a fitness blogger specializing in yoga, and your brand is all about promoting mindfulness, well-being, and holistic health. However, when you generate content, the AI might use generic terms like exercise or fitness, and this is where terms feature becomes useful. Let's select add a term, and here let's put exercise and ask to suggest terms replacements. So let's choose physical activity. Let's also add mindful session, and as well practice instead of exercise. Now let's add another example. In the fitness area, AI often uses word flexibility. So let's add this term here, and let's check some synonyms for flexibility, and let's utilize this word, suppleness. Okay, and let's add that. Okay, you get the idea. When you add more such terms, your own unique terms, you will have higher chances to resonate with your audience because of your brand's unique style. So after you add your terms, those will be applied in all places where Katteb generates content. It can be Article Writer V2, it can be Article Pro Writer, or it can be free-form Katteb Writer. Alright, so now let's see the terms feature in action. We're inside Katteb Assistant. We can ask to generate any type of content here, but in my example, I have chosen it to be a paragraph, and the task is to generate an introduction paragraph for the blog post Health Benefits of the Regular Yoga Practice. And to demonstrate you terms feature, I am asking AI specifically to add flexibility word in the first sentence. And remember, this term will be replaced by terms functionality. So let's ask to write. And here it is. You just saw how it worked. We are now getting the word suppleness in your AI-generated text. And it is very unlikely that AI would suggest this word because it is not very popular. However, adding such unique and less popular words may add to your unique style and brand. So again, you will have higher chances to resonate with your audience, and you will be able to connect more deeply with that audience. So to summarize, with Katteb's terms feature, you can enhance AI-generated text with content that is distinct to you and your brand. It is like teaching AI your personal language style. I encourage you to try this feature for your next article and see for yourself how it will improve your brand's voice consistency. That's it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more related videos.